first of all, I can thank from me and my team to the LGS and all of you students. मुझे बहुत हम सबको अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके कि आप लोगों ने हमें इनवाइट किया एंड द एक्सपीरियंस इज़ वेरी गुड। और मैंने यहाँ आके ये सीखा कि हाउ टू बी अ गुड टीचर एंड हाउ टू टीच योर स्टूडेंट्स वेरी पोलाइटली कामली, क्योंकि समटाइम्स मूड्स होते हैं हर इंसान के, तो एक जैसा नहीं रहता बिहेव। तो मुझे बहुत ये चीज़ अच्छी लगी, ये सीखने को मिला कि हर सिचुएशन में इंसान को स्टूडेंट के साथ अपना बिहेवियर जो है वो नॉर्मल और डेली एक जैसा रखना चाहिए, हर स्टूडेंट के साथ एक जैसा रखना चाहिए। सो थैंक यू, आप लोगों ने हमें यहाँ पे इनवाइट किया, मैं बहुत अच्छा लगा सबको, मुझे भी और मेरी पूरी टीम को। थैंक यू सो मच।
बुराई तो कोई भी नहीं थी और सारे स्टूडेंट्स का बिहेवियर भी बहुत अच्छा था और टीचर से भी बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। हम सब ने बहुत इंजॉय किया और हम सब ने सीखा भी बहुत कुछ। हमेशा मूड अच्छा रखूंगी, पहले भी हंसती रहती हूँ।
बुरा तो कुछ भी नहीं लगा और आप सबका बिहेवियर बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा था और फ्रेंडली था। वी लाइक इट। सबसे ज़्यादा मेन चीज़ मैंने जो सीखी है वो है लेसन प्लान।
Assalamu alaikum. I am Kiran Amir and I was invited as a leading teacher for the teacher training program conducted by my excellent students Amal Salman, Mushtaba Ghazi, Iza Iqbal, Ali Murtaza and Kumail Haider. It was an excellent program organized by these students and they worked really hard on it, and a very good teacher training session was been held over there. Focus was on class management, lesson plan and teacher training, and it was one of an excellent activity which was been organized by these students.
Actually, I want to share my views about the teachers training program that was actually has given the opportunity to me to complete and fulfill one of my dreams that I wanted to be. First of all, I would like to thank my students, the talented students of mine, Iza Iqbal, Amal Salman, Mushtaba Ghazi, Ali Murtaza and Kumail Haider. I must say that they have put lots of hard work into this program for making it a success and a reality. The organization of the students as a team was really amazing, and the way they had been on their toes throughout the training program, that was remarkable. Then my feedback regarding how do I feel about it, the experience was really amazing because actually being one of the teachers trainer in Bahrain Gulf, this was one of my, you can say, a dream that I should start it in Pakistan as well. So when my students approached me and they told me that I can be doing a teachers training, I was really energized and looking forward to it. And alhamdulillah, all the outline and all the organization that completed successfully, the participants were the teachers from government school. They really performed well. They have given good responses, and over and out it was extremely a remarkable experience. Thank you.
Rabil, I was invited as an expert in the teacher program, a teacher learning program, and it went so well. The teachers, those were gathered over there, they get that information relevant which I share with them, the rules and the methods which I share with them that they should follow, and in their class, then their class would be more interactive and the students would participate more, and they were taking it very positively. Even they make the pointers as well and they note them down in the whatever the material was provided to them, they were writing them as well, and the students organized that very well, especially Iza Iqbal, Mushtaba and Amal, Murtaza and Kumail. They all are very good students, and they requested to us to deliver to train the teachers, and they have organized it so well. I appreciate that, and thank you.
I want to give my feedback on the teacher training program conducted by our GP students. The group included Iza Iqbal, Ali Murtaza, Amal Salman, Kumail Haider, and Mushtaba Ghazi. They organized a teacher training program for government school teachers, and it was conducted by two teacher trainers, Ms. Saima Javed and Ms. Kiran Amir. Plus, these students also conducted some chunks in their training program, and the teachers of government schools were highly appreciated the content of the workshop, because most of them did not know about the modern teaching methodologies and modern techniques which are being followed all over the world. So with the help of these teacher trainers and these students, they got to know a lot, and they were full of gratitude that they were given this opportunity to attend this workshop. So all my praise for my students, because they took the initiative and they conducted it very well, and the feedback was excellent. Thank you.
Our teaching program was held on the 23rd of October, Wednesday, from the group of the students, and Mujtaba Nadeem, Isa Iqbal, Amal Salman, Ali Murtaza, they were in the logistic, and all four of them, they have planned it so well, program went so well. Our government school teachers were arranged to come and visit our private school, and the topic for the teachers to present was lesson planning, board making, and the code of conduct was also discussed. All the students who were involved in the logistics, they have planned it so well, and the children, I have seen them working together with the confidence and with the spirit of learning, and I was also amazed to see the potential in the students, because all of them were so responsible, all of them were working together, and I have seen a new spirit of encouragement and a spirit of learning in them. The students were happy for arranging the things, and I think we should give them more chances to develop themselves and also arrange so many other programs and involve themselves, because all of them are full of energy. And even the tea afterwards, they have planned a tea for the teachers, and it was a good, spirit. It was a good teamwork was observed during the program. Thank you very much, students, and God bless you.